Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use templates here in Canva. Let's begin. Using templates in Canva is a great way to jumpstart your design process and ensure a professional look for your projects. Now, first off is you might want to go to the Canva website and log into your account. If you don't have it yet, just click the sign up for free option on the upper right corner. And from here, basically you can explore thousands of beautiful free templates with Canva's drag and drop feature. You can customize your design for any occasion in just a few clicks. If you have anything in mind, you can simply go to the search thousands of templates right here. All right, for example, doc, whiteboard, presentation, logo, video, or even Zoom virtual background. You see, these are some of the suggested templates already when I have her here, or you can browse by category. Are you looking for a docs or a whiteboard, presentations, logos, videos, Zoom virtual background? So there are a lot of options that you can work with. Okay, docs, whiteboard. Now, for example, I'm going to go to the videos right here, and you see there's going to be an option that says pink and blue futuristic gaming channel YouTube intro. Let's click that. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this option right here that says customize this template. That is powered by or created by Maha Creative. 100% fully customizable. You can edit and download on the go, share and publish anywhere, collaborate in real time, millions of images, and a lot more, right? So if you want to know more of the template that you're working, you might want to click on the options. You see these are the colors like a hexagram or hexagon, or the like a code. Size is going to be 1920 over 1080 pics, right? Or you can simply create your own if you don't want to work with this, right? But let's click the customize this template right here. What will happen is you would be forwarded again to this option to log in using your account. If you haven't already, again, click the sign up with your work email. These are some of the options for creating an account here in Canva. You can continue with Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever. And if you're using your business or personal email, you're also welcome to do that, or you can log in with your mobile number. Now, I was forwarded to this blank template. I'm going to click on uploads. I'm going to upload a specific image here, right? Now, I'm going to put in some video on the left side panel of your dashboard. You see you have an access to these videos. For those with the Crown Pro watermark, means you're not going to be able to use that video because it requires a Canva Pro subscription. All right, if you click that, there's going to be a Canva watermark, and we have a separate video on how to remove this, and of course how to use the Canva Pro that you might want to check in our channel. So we're going to skip that. Instead, we're just hovering to the free. Maybe free videos right here. For example, I'm going to be hovering to this right here. Maybe let's check. How about we use this one right here? So there's a lot that you can work with. And of course, from here, you can be creative. You're not limited with the simple images. All right. Now, you can put in on the text here. Go to text. You can put in a heading, or if you wanted to use a different font style, you can also do with that. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Press enter. And of course, I'm going to type in here. I'm going to shrink it a little bit by pressing this. I'm gonna click on arrow on this one right here. Let me make it a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna be creative. You're not limited. You can go to the here. This time I'm going to choose maybe a white, so it's like it's kind of a little bit easier to see, right? And of course you can add more elements as you go along the way. Now, as you can see, you can add more elements like text, images, shapes, or icons by going to the left sidebar and select the appropriate tab, right? So you have all of these. In the Elements tab, you would notice that there are a lot of options. You can use the graphics. I'm gonna remove this. You have the hold on. You have the shapes, graphics, image generator, and stickers, photos and videos, and a lot more, right? Audio, charts, tables, and you see you have all of these under your disposal. For example, we're going to choose a table with this one right here, just a little bit of that. You can resize this to make it like, you can choose the colors, obviously, right? For example, this and this one right here. Now, you might want to check the play button on the upper right corner to see if the elements blend well together, right? So just, and of course, you might want to choose the template that closely match your vision or branding to reduce the amount of customization needed. One of the easiest way for you to do that. Okay, so once you're happy with that, there are multiple options that you can do on the share button on the upper right corner. You see, you can go to the download option. You can download this design as an MP4, as a GIF, or an SVG, which is best for web design and animations, or you can use it as an PDF print, PDF standard, or PNG, or if you wanted to use the JPEG, which is best for sharing. Now, normally what I do is go to the see all, because from here, if I wanted to save it to Google Drive, you don't have any much problem, all right? Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Box. So you have all of these. And if you wanted to share this template in your social media channels, such as your Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, and TikTok, you're welcome to do that. You also have an option to forward this template here within an email, WhatsApp, and iMessage and Facebook Messenger. All right, so these are some of your options. Now, if you're into coding, especially if you have like a Wix and Squarespace, click on the website or on the embed, because you have this hyperlink. Click on embed. There are two options. These are the HTML embed code and the smart embed link. All right. Now, as you can see, using templates in Canva can save you time and provide a strong foundation of your designs, helping you achieve a polished and professional look with ease. You can also use some keywords to search bar to find templates that may inspire you or fit your specific theme or purpose. Now, if you're happy with this, you might want to click on the resize button. You see, you can translate your design into another language, transform your doc into the content that you wanted, and of course, you can also resize your design into whatever format you need. You can have all of these if you are not happy with this kind of template. All right, you can resize to social media and a lot more. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.